Hi, I'm Mark from Maynard Made Products, and today I'm here to demonstrate for you how to install your Ducerup assembly onto your VEXILAR, which is mounted on a Pro Pack shuttle base. Okay, to install your Ducerup assembly on your VEXILAR Pro Pack, you will have to remove the entire electronic assembly by removing both screws. Just simply lay your system down. Your Pro Pack has a peg which goes in the hole here, and there is a slot which has to go over the mount here. Simply put the peg into the hole and slide the hole over the mount. Now here's the hardest part, is getting these screws started in these. I do the opposite one first so that it can help hold up the electronic assembly while you are trying to align everything on this side. So put your screw through the hole on the Ducerup arm, through the hole on the Pro Pack mount, and into the electronic head. Tighten them down at the angle which you desire, and it is installed, and the next step will be putting the transducer on the arm. Okay, to install your transducer on the Ducerup arm assembly of your Pro Pack mounted VEXILAR, first you must make sure that the arm is in the full upright position to press the pedal. You're going to place your transducer on flat surface directly in front of your arm on the Ducerup. Take the cable, lace it over the top of the arm, and then through the cable guides on the top of the arm. And you can take the excess cable material, stuff it behind your electronics assembly, and then you will take the provided cable clip and you will place it over the cable and into the two depressions on the front of the arm. Now, to verify that you have it properly adjusted, you're going to push the pedal and put the arm in the full upright position. The cable should be over the top, and the transducer should just barely rest on the flat surface in front of the arm like that, and you have a properly installed and adjusted transducer cable on your Ducerup arm assembly. When you're ready to fish, simply take your transducer, lower it into the center of your hole so that the arm is level, and then when you hook a fish, use your foot to depress the pedal. Ducerup lifts the transducer out of the hole so you can fight the fish, not the finder.